Good morning. My name is Kolita Veerasinghe, calling from Sri Lanka. My topic is current situation in Sri Lanka. The government led by National People's Power NPP under Anura Kumar Dissanayake came to power in the 2024 with broad public expectations. Because government has fallen short of expectation, public frustration is rising with protests. Also, opposition pointed out grievances focused on high taxes and cost of living. Many people continue to feel pressure, rising costs for food and essentials, dissatisfaction over unmet political promises, tax relief, social services, and uncertainty where economical gains will translate into improved living standards for most. While the NPP controls state institutions and argues it's stabilizing the country, uh, growing popular frustration, especially over economic hardship and perceived inequality, is putting its legitimacy under pressure. Present government has invest finance in education, healthcare and infrastructure, including new medical faculties, expanded ambulance services and improving public services. Also, government has promised to raise wages for state employees. Minimum monthly basic salary is to increase and ad hoc allowances and special allowances will be consolidated to boost take home pay. However, people expect better prospects in the future. Thank you.